Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Facebook is certainly one of, if not the most popular social platforms on the internet today. Facebook has over 1 billion daily active users. But one of the biggest concerns about Facebook, especially with seniors, is privacy, both in terms of what I'm going to see as a Facebook user and who is seeing what I'm posting. The goal of this class is to teach you how to use the settings and controls provided by Facebook to manage your privacy. In this class, you will learn how to determine who can see the personal information in your profile, determine who can see what you're posting on Facebook, secure your account to make it difficult for someone to hack into it, and control who can find you on Facebook and send you friend requests. One learner, after completing the class, said, I have just been using Facebook to see what my family was posting, but now I feel confident I can actually make my own posts. If you're interested in using Facebook security, I hope you will sign up for the class, meet other learners with similar interests, and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.